Hi everyone. So yesterday I was inspired by a YouTuber who are doing a soldering and making jewelries. So I tried and actually I didn't have any materials. I didn't have a copper tape and flux. So I only used a ordinary solder and a old solder wire, and I just want to try, and this is what happened. This is very cute. So uh, I'm so happy with the result. It took me a long time to finish, and I put a green spinel here and a syrup tumbled Swedish sea glass that I picked by myself. And oh my god, I'm so glad how it turns out. So that's it. This is my first attempt to solder the jewelry. And what do you think with this cutie? Cutie, cutie.